Hi, welcome to the training. My name is Singh. Today we'll be going over the training on how to create a customer list. So this is your landing page here for your web cart. I'll just click into it. And this is your main menu where your customers can place orders. So we're going to click on the dashboard login button here. And we're going to log in as the admin. Okay. And we're going to go into the reports module here. So I'm going to click here. Now this is where you could run the sales and orders report. So if I click run, I get all the orders and it filters all the dates, revenue, most popular item, and etc. Up towards the top here, you'll see a button called customers. So we'll click on that. Doing so will land you into the customer mailing list reports. Okay, so here you can generate reports by dates. So by default, it's going to give you the last 30 days. You can change those dates here. Okay, so here in this example, I'm just going to run a report and it's going to pull all my customer based on these two dates here. Okay, these two dates here. Now you'll see that there's a filter field here, and I'll show you how to use that in a while here. We'll click on run report. So based on those two dates, I have 22 customers, okay, and it found 22 emails, and it also found 22 addresses, and it gives you a total of the spent, okay. So right below that, this section here, you have export for mailing. Okay? So you can copy all the emails here, okay, or you can copy all the addresses, or you can download the file in a CSV file. Okay, I'll show you that in a little bit here. So here you can see the customer list here, and it's organized by the total spent. So Sam here made the most orders, 6 orders. Her info is here. Okay. Now we could reorganize this list also. We can click on the columns here, and it's going to automatically organize that list for us. We could do it by phone numbers, emails, addresses, order, okay, and we can do it by spent also, okay. We're going to rerun that report here, okay, reset that, okay. So here I have 22 customers, okay, based on those dates. Okay, now here's where you can use the filter field here. So let's say I only want all the customers that have the area code 209 here. Okay, well, we can do the filter by name, phone, and email. So let's do that now. Let's go 209. Okay, as soon as you input that in, you'll see my list here changes. Okay, and all the phone numbers will be only the 209 area code. So this is good in case you only want a certain set of data for a certain area. Okay, maybe you want to send them a notice, a sales date. Okay, we can take that off here, and our list will repopulate down here. And let's say we only, if we're searching only for name, let's put Lily's name in here, and you'll see it will only pull up anybody whose name is Lily here. Okay. Similarly for email, if I only want everybody whose email is from gmail.com, you see here, it filters that list automatically here. Okay. So if I want to, let's take this off here. So we get our complete list here. Let's copy all the emails here. Let's say you want to do a mass email. Let's copy all the emails. Okay, and we'll open a notepad here just to kind of sample that data there. We can paste it here, and you'll see it automatically grabs all that data, all the email here. Okay. Let's do another one here. Let's go copy addresses. Okay, let's take a look at that, see what that looks like here. And then you have all the addresses, name and addresses here. Okay. And let's not save that. You can also download the CSV file, and if you click that, it's going to download that for you, and you can save it. And you can use Excel or Notepad to open the CSV as well. Okay. Now, if I change the dates here, let's go back a little bit more. Let's go to June 2nd here. Rerun that. You can see I have 53 customers now. Okay. So if you want it for the whole year or back a few years, you can change the dates here. Okay. And that would be it for the customer report. So this is a great way to quickly grab all your customer information, especially the emails and addresses if you want to send notice out on a sales date that maybe it's coming up, or if you have a discount, you can email the discounts or coupons and etc. So you can run that report. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to go ahead and close out of that. So inside the dashboard, go to reports. And inside the reports, the sales and orders report, you'll see that customer button right there. Then you could generate your report there. Okay. Other than that would be it for this training. I hope you learned something new here, and I hope this helps you. This is a big request from a lot of clients to be able to pull their customers' emails and addresses so that they can do a mass notification. So other than that, last thing on the list is be careful with your customer data, especially in California. They have the Consumer Privacy Act. So you want to make sure you abide by it. And if your customers don't opt into mailing lists, you might have an issue sending them notices, okay, especially on discounts and sales, okay? So be aware of that. You might want to check your local laws and based on your jurisdiction. But I know California is very strict on Consumer Privacy Act, okay? Other than that, thank you for attending the training. I hope you enjoyed the training. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a note and we'll be happy to answer for you. Have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one.